How to turn on multi-guest requests on TikTok Live. First of all, you have to launch your TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Now, if you're eligible to go live in your TikTok account or you have enough followers, then only you will have the option to go live on TikTok in your account. Now, in order to do that, navigate to menu bar at the bottom and tap on the plus icon. And if you swipe this menu bar at the bottom with the option post and templates to your left, there you'll have an option to go live. All you have to do is tap on go live, and once you go live, you will notice an option or icon on your left hand side corner at the bottom that says guest. You have to tap on it. Now once you get into next page, there you'll have a settings icon on your top right corner. Tap on the settings icon. And on the next page, you will have a toggle to turn on that says allow request from friends. So you have to turn on the toggle that says allow request from viewer. Once you have turned on that toggle, you have turned on multi-guest request on TikTok Live, and that's how you can do it. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.